Bombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host once again. I am now joined by Coach Matabela. Bombela Stadium is where I'm at. South Africa versus Ghana. A game as a situation ended in favor of Ghana, prevailing by 1-0. Women's FIFA World Cup Under-20 qualifiers has ended just like that. And now I'm joined by Coach Matabela. Coach, greetings once again. Game has concluded, Coach. Game phela ngendlela lengasi right ebezesifise ngayo ukuthi ngadlala ngayo. Alitemlela ekhaya kakhona ngaphumelela iGhana ihamba nawo wonke 3 points negoli eTulu.
Good afternoon guys. Angisakhona ukukhuluma the way kwenzeke ngakhona. Be expect ukuthi maybe soyithatha le 3 point bese sa qualify kanjalo. So I was not expected ukuthi singadliwa kanjalo yabona. But we have a reason. Maybe next time we'll change our formation, the way we are playing, because yayibona the way yenze ngakhona Linda. Ama player wethu for today ngathi bekathukiwe. Special I will say number 23. Number 23 today bekangekho egamini kahle ndlela. Uvuka ngama last minutes. So usibulalisile naye because marking wakhe bangakhona ukumarka today. Nakamaka walwin ibhola uphinde abanikeze. So namhlanje hayi bengahambi kahle because nangathi yabheka ama defender bayasegemini and ibhola lethu besidlala ngokumabhola nje ukuthi awadumuza kuphela yabona amabhola ukuthi manje liyahamba asidlali mabhola iGhana yiyo bekona ukushare ibhola yabona bekona ukuthi share ibhola idlale the way ebeng expecting ngakhona ukuthi South Africa nayo ingadlala kanjalo uyayibona. So our mistake iyenzeka vele groundini kwenze kanjalo vele every time ama game abanjalo yabona singa expect win vele bese uya lose. It's not about ukuthi njengoba kuyi lose namhlanje sekuphelile ngathi uyayibona. So I'm expecting ukuthi coach uzolungisa next time uzobuya alungise the way namhlanje bekafake ngakhona information bekayidlala namhlanje. It's not a bad formation, just ama play. I would say I'm a player sometimes they want information and bese na bafika grounding they lose information. Uyayibona. Nje nathi kahle thina besidlala defensive kahle namhlanje. Uyayibona. So and bengamelanga like the way ngibheka ngakhona bengamelanga sidlala defensive noma sidliwa. Siyazi kumele si-attack but besingakhona ukuphusha sonke. So lo senzeni sirelaxile grounding. Uyayibona. So ngikhubeke kakhulu ukuthi nami benga expectanga lento leyo. Benga expecteni le win but anyway impilo yebhola injalo uyayibona. So ngiyabonga bonke okwenzekile namhlanje. So I would say hard luck ku South Africa. Njengama supporter nami ngu-coach we Lady Soccer. So sifunda okuningi uyabona. Nathi sifunda okuningi kulama game lawa. So immediately siletha abantwana ukuthi sibakhiphe baze stadium ukuthi basupporte ila now bathatha experience khona because now checka iGhana the way bedlala ngakhona the way bebashare ibhola ngakhona uyayibona. So labantwana nabo bayathatha lento leyo ukuthi no nathi kusasa sinakuthanda ukudlala njengobani sasa sathanda ukudlala njengobani because ila sikhatha kakhulu ama role model wabo uyayibona. They are choosing ama role model kakhulu lapho uyabona. So anyway hard luck ku South Africa. Next time we'll fix our problem.
Thank you Coach Matabela.